Judgment. A judgment is the final decision of a court in a criminal case after considering the evidence, arguments of the parties, and the applicable law. It represents the judicial determination of the rights and liabilities of the parties and concludes the trial before the court. In criminal proceedings, a judgment is the formal expression of the opinion of the judge or magistrate regarding the guilt or innocence of the accused. It is delivered after a careful examination of the facts, evidence, and legal issues involved in the case. The term judgment has not been specifically defined in the BNSS 2023, but it generally means the final adjudication of a criminal case resulting in either the conviction or acquittal of the accused. Legal provision. The provisions relating to judgments are contained in Chapter 28 of the BNSS 2023, which is corresponding to Chapter 27 of the CRPC 1973, particularly Sections 392 to 401 of the BNSS 2023. These provisions prescribe the manner in which judgments are to be pronounced, their contents, language, and other related matters. Object of a judgment. The primary objectives of a judgment are to decide the guilt or innocence of the accused, to provide reasons for the court's decision, to ensure transparency in judicial proceedings, to enable appellate courts to review the decision, to uphold the principles of justice and fairness. Essential elements of a judgment. A valid judgment generally contains the following elements: statement of facts. The judgment should contain a concise statement of the facts and circumstances of the case. Points for determination. The court must identify the issues or questions that require adjudication. Appreciation of evidence. The court should analyze and evaluate the evidence presented by both the prosecution and the defense. Findings of the court. The court must record its findings on each material issue involved in the case. Reasons for decision. A judgment must contain the reasons supporting the conclusions reached by the court. Final order. The judgment should clearly state whether the accused is convicted or acquitted, and in case of conviction, the sentence imposed. Forms of judgment. Judgment of conviction, where the prosecution successfully proves the guilt of the accused beyond reasonable doubt, the court records a conviction and imposes an appropriate sentence according to law. Judgment of acquittal, where the prosecution fails to prove its case beyond reasonable doubt, the accused is acquitted. Pronouncement of judgment. The judgment must be pronounced in open court by the presiding judge or magistrate. The pronouncement of judgment marks the conclusion of the trial proceedings before that court. Distinction between judgment and discharge. A judgment must be distinguished from an order of discharge. A discharge occurs before the commencement of a full trial when the court finds insufficient grounds to proceed against the accused. A judgment, on the other hand, is delivered after trial and constitutes a final determination of the case by the court. Therefore, an order of discharge is not a judgment. Case law. State of Bihar versus Ram Naresh Pandey, 1957. The Supreme Court observed that a judgment is the final judicial determination of a criminal case resulting in the conviction or acquittal of the accused. It signifies the Culmination of the trial process. Ajay Singh versus State of Maharashtra 2007. The Supreme Court emphasized that a judgment must contain clear reasons supporting the conclusions reached by the court. A reasoned judgment is an essential component of fair administration of justice. Importance or significance. The judgment occupies a central place in criminal jurisprudence because it determines the rights and liabilities of the parties. It ensures accountability of judicial decision making. It facilitates appellate review. It promotes public confidence in the judicial system. It serves as the culmination of the trial process. A well reasoned judgment demonstrates that the court has carefully considered the evidence and applied the law correctly. Conclusion. A judgment is the final judicial determination of a criminal case after considering the evidence, arguments, and applicable law. It may result in either conviction or acquittal of the accused. The provisions relating to judgments under the BNSS 2023 ensure that judicial decisions are reasoned, transparent, and fair. Thus, the judgment serves as the foundation of justice and the ultimate outcome of a criminal trial.